next we did the cable wiring. I got it in black. We ended up putting in all brand new posts, completely redoing the whole entire cable rail system, going downstairs into the basement, and it turned out perfect. These customers absolutely love it. When you walk in, that's one of the first things you see, and it's just so elegant, and customers just loved it. Hope you enjoy it.
Hey, once you're done watching this video, go check out the previous video that I submitted. It walks all the way through putting the doors in, painting the doors, completing this whole entire fireplace mantle, getting it built. Like and subscribe, follow along. Hey, we started out by putting brackets on the bottom of these posts. Bought these posts already pre-made, put a stain and a finish on them, and got the brackets installed so we could secure them to the floor. They're not going to move anywhere. The customer wanted this design to be sleek, and when you walk in, it's just a signature part of the whole entire area. So we installed brand new posts, got the rails in, and now it's time to start putting those cables in and getting the connections nice and tight and secured. In the meantime, the guys in the background are painting everything black. Black is one of the hardest colors to paint, but they got it. It looks sharp. One of the most important parts of getting these in is making sure they're secure and they're not going to move anywhere.
Hey, as always, like and subscribe, follow along. If you like this content, I've got plenty more on my channel. Follow along. I'm going to be posting a lot more to come. Thanks for watching. You'll see the shiplap, we painted it black. Black is probably one of the hardest colors to paint. I wasn't gonna spray black inside that home. So I went ahead and had the guys go ahead and do every crevice first and then paint the faces.
Like I mentioned before, black is one of the hardest colors to paint. So we went ahead and decided to go ahead and get the first flat coat painted and then go in and paint each crevice. I wasn't gonna go ahead and bring in a sprayer and tape everything off and plastic it all off and paint black in this home. So we decided to go ahead and hand paint it, hand roll it, and I think it turned out a lot better than if we would have tried to go ahead and spray it.
This kitchen was from Swan Creek Cabinetry, custom cabinets. They had the nice detail on that. The countertop was a waterfall countertop. You'll see in that one spot where it just falls over and flows over. Customers absolutely love that. But awesome quartz countertops. The whole kitchen came together under cabinet lighting up in the little windows up in the door, and it looks absolutely gorgeous.
The guys did an awesome job taking down all this cabinetry, and we took it over to Habitat for Humanity. One thing I did in video here was putting all the new ceiling lights in. Just a flush mount, 6-inch. It's just kind of fun watching these guys take everything down and get it ready for the new cabinets to come in. In my personal opinion, it's best to just go ahead and cut out the backsplash instead of removing the backsplash piece by piece. Just take out the drywall, take out everything. It all comes out in one piece, and put a brand new piece of drywall in, prime it, and then you can go back on with brand new backsplash. It's so much easier than try to piece everything out and patch everything up.
see this oak hood that we put together. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The craftsmanship on this was spot on. My dad put this together. I don't have any footage of it, but it came together real nice and really brought the look of that home together with the fireplace, the oak hood, and looks great. Thanks for watching this video. Hey, I've got more videos coming up. I've got pergolas that I'm building. I've got decks that are going up, and plenty more projects to put on this page and this channel that I've done, and you're gonna love it. So like and subscribe, follow along, plenty more to come.